Well, we have here a Guanabana tree right here. This is a Miami Guanabana, which I got at a lot of farms last week, and this is, I had never tasted Miami until a few weeks back when I went and saw Julian at a lot of farms, and man, it tastes sweet. It's awesome. Great tasting Guanabana, and so I wanted to get one. Also, it's self-pollinating, so can't go wrong with this one. I'll leave a link below so you can get yours. He sells them online as well, so if you can't make it down there, you can always get them online. But highly recommend this variety. It's the Miami variety.